Yo, what's up, Barrio Builds family? This your boy Kubo, back at it again with another little video. Today we got my daughter again, Siani. Today we're gonna be installing Billetworkz shift knob on the WRX, and we're gonna be installing the shift extender. Just cosmetics, but we're gonna get it on and show you how it goes.
Hello,
okay,
bits.
all right, here we have the Billetworkz shift knob right there. Check it out, pretty nice. Let's go. Then we got that nice little sweater for it. Then we have the extender right there.
And then we have this.
And we got the mechanic right here. It's gonna be an 18 millimeter to get these squeezed on.
These.
Wrench.
And these. We have these.
And the mechanic right here.
We have all this. And we have all this.
Alrighty. Alright. We have the OEM shift knob here. And I mean, don't look too bad, but I'm just gonna add something so it gives it a nice aesthetic look. And all you're gonna do right here is lift it, put your clutch in, lift up, and put it back in reverse. Let it go. And the reason why you're gonna do that is so it causes no wiggle room and you can work. But that's it right there. Alright guys, here is the finished product. The shift knob installed, as well as the 4-inch shift knob extender. All this is by Billetworkz. Look at that nice detail. Super nice. Definitely looks a lot better and makes the shifting a lot smoother, to be honest. There she is. Can't go wrong with that. Lastly, before we forget, that nice little shift knob sweater from Billetworkz as well. Very nice accent with the red. And then appreciate you very much, Billetworkz, for everything. The purpose of that little sweater is to keep the shift knob nice and isolated. And also a nice little aesthetic modification. Makes it look really cool, to be honest. Appreciate it. That pretty sums up the stuff that we did for today. Installed that shift knob extender, and the nice little jacket sweater thingamajiggy for the shift knob as well. All thanks to Billetworkz. Thank you very much for your awesome products. My TR will definitely enjoy this, and stay tuned for the next videos. Please comment on the video what y'all want to see on the car next. My first major modification. Help me out and choose which route to go. Thanks for looking at my videos, and most importantly, just appreciate the support. Cubo, Barrio Builds family, thank you very much. We out to the next one.